Today, let's add some personality to a plain gift bag. To get started, I am going to use these graduation picks that I purchased on clearance, perfect for an upcoming party, and I knew immediately that I wanted to add them to a bag. So these wooden picks are attached to cute little die cuts, and I love the little glittery details that they have on them. So I grabbed a few so that I could personalize these bags, and as you can see, these are glued on pretty good. Some of them are easy to just remove without having to use any other tool to separate the two. And I am going to show you how I just took them off and added them to my bag. Super simple and quick project. And some of these, the pick was very hard to remove, so I just clipped it down to where it can't be seen from the front, and added it to the bag. Here is one right here that's a little difficult, so I used my wire cutters. I didn't want to use my scissors because I didn't want to damage the blade on the scissors, but if you have access to a wire cutter, try that because the wooden pick is not that thick. So I just position the images onto my bag how I want them to be, and the adhesive that I'm using is just hot glue. To add the glue, I'm using my fine point hot glue gun just to lightly cover some parts of this die cut image. I don't want to get glue everywhere, and I am not focused on covering the entire piece to add to the bag. I'm just lightly putting glue in areas to where it won't fold up on the sides and in the center. One other thing that I would like to say, if you can't find wooden picks like I happen to stumble upon, and you have a die cutting machine like a Silhouette or a Cricut, you can create your own images and have them cut out and add them to bags. That is also something fun and creative that you can do. But if you happen to stumble upon things like this that are on clearance and that are already created, try it. Now, using hot glue, there can be some excess strings that happen to creep out from underneath the image and the surface, and I am going to use my craft knife just to lightly separate the glue from the bag. And it worked just wonders this time. Sometimes I'm never this successful, but I'm just going through trying to find any strings that are left to cut. Not bad to jazz up these dollar store bags. I'm going to do another one, and I like to use the flat surface of the bags, not the part that has the fold. So I usually just work on the flat side of the bag to add something special to it. If you think this is a project that you can do yourself and maybe add a little bit more something to it, like the video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope that I can do more videos like this. And if you have any ideas or something you'd like for me to try for an upcoming party, I'd love to hear them. Let me know down in the comment area, and until next time, have a great day, and I will see you soon. Thank you for watching.